Hi guys, there are three ways on how you can find your Shopify store links that you can share it or add it in your bio on Instagram or TikTok or any platform. There are three ways on how you can do this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys one by one. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Okay, now after, guys, you log into your Shopify store, you want to click on here, it says online store, and you want to click on this icon, this icon here. Click on it and it's going to take you guys directly to your Shopify store. Now in the top, guys, this is your store link. Okay, in the top you can see this link. That's exactly your store link. Okay, that's the store link. Okay, now another way you can do this is you want to go to your Shopify dashboard and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and this is your store link here. As you can see below your store name, this is going to be your store link. Okay, now if you don't like this store link, you want to change it to more professional one, you can then add your a new domain to your own Shopify store. Okay, to have a new domain, a new store link. Okay, you can click on settings at the very bottom left, click on domains here, and you can change to a new My Shopify domain name. Change it to any URL you want. If you don't like that URL you have now, you can change it to whatever you want. You can also add a new domain or buy a new domain and connect it to your Shopify. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this, guys. If this one helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next tutorial. Drop a like and see you guys next tutorial.